In this lesson, I want us to look at writing numbers in words and in symbols. We are going to divide the lesson into two parts. The first part, we are going to look at writing numbers in words. In our second part, we look at writing the numbers in symbols or in figures. So, we look at the first part, and we are going to look at several examples. In our first example, we are told, write this number in words. So this is the number that we are given. We look at the solution so that you can understand how to go about it. When you are given such a number, step number 1, you need to identify the place value of every digit in the number that you are given. In our first lesson, we learned about place value. So you need to identify the place value of the digits Now let us write the number down. You have 6, 8, 7, 0, 4, 2 and 1. We want to identify the place value of every digit in this number. So we start on this side. 1 represent ones, 2 represent tens, 4 represent hundreds, then 0 represent thousands, then 7 represent tens of thousands, 8 represent hundreds of thousands, and finally 6 represent millions. Now we have identified the place value of every digit in this number. Step number 2, we classify the place value of the digits. Now we can classify ones, tens and hundreds into units. We can collectively call the three place values as units, and then we have thousands, tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands. We can classify these as thousands, like that. And finally, the last part, we have millions, so we classify the last part as millions. Now after you have classified or you have divided the number into the three parts, units, thousands and millions, now you can easily write the number in words. And when you are writing the number in words, you start on the big side or on the millions. So we write the number down. So we have how many millions? We have 6 million. So we are going to write 6 million. Now there is a point which I want you to note. When you are writing the number, you are not supposed to write 6 millions. You are supposed to write 6 million. You don't add the S. So it will be 6 million. Then thousands. We have how many thousands? 870. So it will be 6 million 870 thousand. So again, you are not going to write thousands. You are supposed to write just thousand. So it will be 6,870,000, and we are left with the units. The units we have 421. Sorry, the units you have 421. So we add 421. You are not going to write units, you just leave it like that. So this number in words will be 6,870,421. That is how you go about it. Now, I have shown you how to write a number in words, or the basis on which you write a number in words. Now, I want to show you a simple way, or a simpler way of writing a number in words. So, because in an exam situation, you may not have time to write this down. So, I want to show you a shorter way. The number we are given is 6, 8, 7, 0, 4, 2, and 1. Now, you are supposed to write the same number in words. What you are supposed to do is to arrange or to count. So, step number 1, you need to count 3 digits from the right. Count 3 digits from the right side, and you put a comma. Now, I mean you count 3 digits starting on this side. So, starting on this side, going on that side. Starting on the right side, going to the left side. Now, let us do that. 1, 2, and a 3, we put a comma. And then 1, 2, and a 3, we put another comma. Now, you have divided that number. The first 3 digits will be the units, like that. Then the other 3 digits will be the thousands. And finally, the other digits will be the millions. So, and then you write the number in words as we have done. It will be 6,870,421. So, this is just to show you a simple way of writing a number in words. You simply count 3 digits, you put a comma. You count 3 digits, you put a comma, and then you classify. After that, you can simply write it in words.